This video is sponsored by Vasant & Co.
ஹாய் ஹலோ வணக்கம் டு ஆல் த கலாட்டா வியூவர்ஸ் அவுட் தேர். திஸ் இஸ் விஜே அண்ணாமலே. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம கூட வந்து சக்கப்போடு போடு ராஜா, கேப் மாதிரி இந்த மாதிரி நிறைய படங்கள்ல வரிசையா பார்த்துட்டு இருக்க வைபவி அவர்கள் தான் இணைஞ்சிருக்காங்க. வணக்கம், வெல்கம் டு தி ஷோ. எப்படி இருக்கீங்க?
ஹலோ, வணக்கம். நான் நல்லா இருக்கேன். நீங்க எப்படி இருக்கீங்க?
நான் நல்லா இருக்கேன். ஸோ ஐ திங்க் வந்து இப்பதான் வந்து எல்லாமே ஓரளவுக்கு செட்டில் ஆன் ஆகி சினிமா அப்படிங்கிறது ஸ்டார்டட் டு ரிவைவ் அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி சொல்லலாம். உங்களுடைய பேசிக் ஸ்கின் அண்ட் ஹேர் கேர் என்ன மாதிரி விஷயங்கள் வந்து வரிசையா பண்ணுவீங்க நீங்க?
Okay. So skin, I would say basically it's not about how many creams you apply on your face. It is about what you eat, what you drink, how is your lifestyle. So drink lots of water, I would say. Eat all the fruits and vegetables because that's where all the vitamins and nutritions come from. And talking about creams, I do apply sunscreen. I do apply night care, moisturizers, routine. Like I have a skincare routine for nights, and that is very, very important for any actor or any person who is keen on making their skin look good. So that is there, and just hydrating your body basically, drinking lots of water, moisturizer, sunscreen. These are the things, which are good for your skin. Also, coconut oil, like I can say, natural products that you can use. And anybody can use this coconut oil on your face, on your hands, on your skin. It nourishes your skin. Then for hair, also coconut oil works really, really good. And if you want, my mother makes this one coconut oil at home. So she mixes hibiscus flowers and coconut oil, and then she infuses the hibiscus into coconut oil and keeps it for a week or so and boils it. And then we use that oil. So that oil is really helpful. I've been using that only since my childhood. So that is one thing. Apart from that, I'll be also honest that it's not that I just stick to this one thing. I keep trying. There's so many new products coming up nowadays for hair and skin. So in the urge of knowing that what could do even better to your skin or hair, I keep trying other products also. But of course, under my doctor's guidance. My doctor is Dr. Rashmi Shetty. Most of the people know because I keep posting on Instagram also. So under her advice, I do whatever I want to do with my skin and hair.
And also வந்து இது போக உங்களுக்கு பேசிக் அந்த சம்மருக்கு கேர் அப்படின்னா வந்து என்ன சொல்வீங்க? எஸ்பெஷலி இங்க ஷூட்லாம் வரும்போது உங்களுக்கு தமிழ்நாடு சைடுலாம் வந்தா.
Oh, I once remember because of the sun, I was wearing sari, okay, and there was this all the poo in my head, so I got sunburns on my hands. I got sunburn as in the whole skin was red and brown. The sun was so harsh in summer times in Chennai that I had to take special care of that. So during summers, I would say that use sunscreen in the daytime whenever you're stepping out. And if you're going to be outside for a long time, then carry the sunscreen along with you so that you can reapply it whenever you can. Like wash your hand first and then reapply it. And also at night, once you come back, it's not that after using sunscreen, you're not going to get sunburn. You can get, but the intensity will be less. So what you can do is you can apply aloe vera gel, the homemade, like the home-grown aloe vera, not the packed one. Packed ones are also good, provided you know which company you're using it. Okay. So you can apply aloe vera, you can apply some cucumber juice on your face to calm down the sun effect, and that really works in helping producing your new skin cells.
Okay. So அது ஒரு பெரிய பிளஸ்ஸா இருக்கும் அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி சொல்வீங்க.
Yeah.
Wonderful. And உங்களுக்கு வந்து எப்பவுமே go to products in your handbag அப்படின்னா என்னவா இருக்கும் related to skin and hair care, makeup?
Sunscreen. Top 3. Sunscreen, uru lip balm, and skin care lana, I would say again hand moisturizers. I don't know, I feel very dry in my hands, so so hand moisturizers, sunscreen and lip balm. 3 top priorities.
Super. நீங்க வந்து 10 minutesல ரெடி ஆகணும். 10 minutesல வந்து you need to quickly go somewhere அப்படிங்கறப்போ what would be your kind of attire? a little
Okay.
fair wear as well as இல்ல 10 minutes I mean dress up attire.
Acha, dress up at 10 minutes. No, 10 minutes is long time then for me.
அப்படியா?
Just to
very
dress
very
up,
short
na?
period. Very short period. You need to be somewhere
Huh?
for a function or something. Easiest
Okay,
way
for a
to go.
function. Just the attire, na? No makeup and hair.
attire தான். Just the attire.
Okay, just attire da. Okay. So probably I'll wear some Indian outfit. Some nice anarkali and some chudidar along with it, maybe. And yeah, I'll be like ready, you know,
Ready to go.
wearing, yeah, ready to go.
ஓகே சூப்பர். அண்ட் அது போக வந்துட்டு இந்த நீங்க எடுக்கிற டயட் அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி ஏதாவது இருக்குமா ஜென்ரலா?
My general diet is lots of vegetables and fruits. Not fruits so much, because like you can have 1 or 2 fruits in a day. Then I have dry fruits. I have rice. Rice is also very important. I don't know why people have like said rice is not good. Don't eat rice and you get fat eating rice. It is not true. Eat rice, but eat in like proportionate quantity. Then I also eat non-veg. Most of the people who follow me on Instagram, they know I can eat any kind of non-veg available in this world. So I've also tried eating horse when I was in Kazakhstan. But yeah, just in February
Different
before I
animal.
got, yeah, I've tried horse. Like I didn't like it much, but okay, it was something that I tried it in my life. I've also
Okay.
tried some worms and other kinds of, you know, frog when I was in
Oh my
Thailand.
God.
So I
Was
eat
it good?
everything.
நல்லா இருந்ததா?
Frog nalla irukku. If you like seafood, you'll like frog. If you like fish and prawns, then
Fish and
you'll
prawn
like,
மாதிரி.
yeah. And the
I
same
see.
category la oru brother மாதிரி இருக்கு.
ஓகே. சோ இந்த மாதிரி விஷயங்களும் வந்து நீங்க டேஸ்ட் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. டிஃபரெண்ட் ஐ திங்க் நிறைய டேஸ்ட் பண்ணிருக்கீங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஆல் கைண்ட்ஸ் ஆஃப் மீட்.
Yeah. Yes. Most of the meats I have tried it so far. Like not something like rabbit or duck. Duck also I've tried it. Or snake. I want to try snake and crocodile, which is available in Thailand again. So if I go again, I'll try that.
அது சரி. எல்லாருக்கும் ஊருக்கு போறதுக்கு அட்வென்ச்சர் வந்து பாப்பாங்க. நீங்க வந்து
Yes.
மீட் சாப்பிடுறதுல ஒரு அட்வென்ச்சரா இருக்கீங்க அப்படின்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
Yes.
சோ அந்த மாதிரி
My
இருக்குதுல.
essay is this only, you know, whenever I travel anywhere, I want to try their local food. Not that I'm eating the same chapati, rice, rasam, sambar. No, I want to try what they eat.
அப்ப சென்னையில வந்து உங்களுக்கு ஃபேவரட் என்ன?
Chennai, I would say most of the things are favorite because South Indian cuisine is one of my favorite cuisine. Okay. So I like those fish curry, you know, which are made in tamarind. I like tamarind rice, lemon rice. Then there are many dishes there. I like that vadai. That vada we make na,
மெது
the
வடை,
dal.
மசால் வடை,
No, not
பருப்பு வடை,
medu vada masala.
பருப்பு வடை.
Paruppu, dal. Yeah, paruppu. Paruppu is dal, no? So paruppu vada, I like that also.
And நீ என்ன மாதிரி ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்ணுவீங்க? லாக்டவுன் அந்த மாதிரி டைம்லாம் எப்படி கோப் அப் பண்ணீங்க?
First of all, in this lockdown, I was not able to work out only because of COVID. I was recovering, and doctor said do not work out or exert. And after 2 months, when I started doing some kind of yoga, I was at minus, I would say. What my zero used to be, if I have to start my workout after a long gap, I know where am I standing once I started. But I was in minus. So I came till zero after doing the yoga, and now I go to the gym. I do yoga at home.
Back on track.
Also, yeah, and not just this. After COVID, I don't know. I thought, you know, I should probably learn yoga, not just like be a student in the class, but learn yoga so that I can teach people yoga. Maybe someday. So I'm going under this course where this is the teacher's training course in yoga. So I'm almost through another 3 weeks, and I can be a teacher in yoga also.
This video sponsored by Vasant & Co.